In our previous video, we understood the three bases based on which corporations can collect and process your data. That is consent, contractual, and legal. Now let's understand the remaining three bases. The fourth and the most flexible basis is legitimate interest. This allows a corporation to process your data for reasonable business purposes that you would logically expect, provided it does not unfairly infringe on your fundamental rights. For example, if a company monitors corporate network traffic to prevent a massive cyber attack, or runs basic internal analytics to ensure their websites don't crash, they are relying on legitimate interest. Do keep in mind that India's data protection law has not provided the provision of legitimate interest. The remaining two bases are rarely used by regular corporations or commercial businesses, as they are reserved for life or death emergencies and public government functions. The fifth basis is vital interest, the life or death shield. This basis applies if processing personal data is strictly necessary to save or protect someone's life. You do not need consent because the person is usually physically or legally unable to give it. For example, a passenger collapses unconscious at an airport. The medical team needs to access their check-in records to identify emergency contacts or underlying medical conditions shared with the airline. The airline can legally hand over the sensitive data under vital interest because saving a human life overrides standard privacy protocols. Lastly, public task, the government directive. This gateway is designed for public authorities like ministries, public schools, or the police, or private organizations carrying out official functions explicitly wrapped in the public interest. For example, a state-run public university processes student enrollment and attendance data to officially administer national exams and issue degrees. They do not ask students for marketing style consent to track their academic files, nor is it a standard commercial contract. They are legally performing a public task mandated by the state. In our next video, we understand what is legitimate interest assessment. Stay tuned.